I'm your Komali ma'am. In this session, I'm going to teach you tricks to solve half-life questions under 30 seconds. In last session, I discussed about first order reactions. In this session, I'm going to teach you about zero order reactions. This question is, recent RE-NEET examination also this question came. Many students have done mistake in this question. Let's see how fast you can solve this question. Are you ready, everybody? You can apply the simple trick and you can solve the question. See, for example, they were asking for any percentage. Let's say they're asking for 50% or they're asking for 75% or they're asking for 100%, any percentage of reaction completed if they were asking. Simply the formula, students, see, Tx% is equal to x by 50 into T half. Half-life will be given in the question. Directly put a T half value. X whatever, suppose if it is T 50%, X value is 50. T 75%, X value is 75. T 100%, X value is 100. That's it. See, for example, T 50% means 50% of the reaction completed. So, X value is 50 divided by 50 into half-life, which is equal to 50, 50 gets cancelled, 1 T half. Then let's say, for example, T 75%, how to do? X value is same number, whatever it is, a 75 divided by 50 into T half. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 5 5s are 25, 15 by 10 is 1.5 T half. See the relation, you no need to by heart it. T 75% means 1.5 T half, no need. Just the formula is T x% is equal to x by 50 into T half. Let's say for T 100%, can you tell me what to do? 100 divided by 50 into T half. So 51s are, 52s are. So 2 T half. Now, three formulas which are most important. Tell me, T 50% is equal to 1 T half, T 75% is equal to 1.5, T 100% is equal to 2 T half. Now, can you try for T 90% and tell me how much? Put your answer in the comment section. T 90% how much? Okay. Ma'am, what is this T 90% or 25% or 50%? Means 50%. Let's say T 50% means 50% of the reaction completed. Okay, so 50% completed. How much will be left? 50% is left. For example, if they say T 80% means 80% of the reaction completed, 20% is left. For example, if they ask us initial concentration is reduced to 1/4. What is the meaning? Let's say initial concentration is 100. It is reduced and finally left 1/4 is left. Means how much? 100 into 1/4. So that is 25%. 25% is left. Means how much is completed? Can you tell me? Initially 100 rupees you have, 25% or 25 rupees only left. Means how much is already you used? You purchased something, 75%. Again I'll ask you, listen carefully students. They were telling that 1/2 initial concentration is reduced to 1/2, which means that initial concentration is reduced to half. What is the meaning of that? Let's say initial is 100. In that it is reduced to 1/2 means half. It is reduced to 1/2 means 50. 50, this is final. Initial is 100. Final is 50. How much is consumed? Means reactants converts to product. Product is 50. Means this is left. This is left, this is formed. I mean reaction completed, consumed. consumed or completed, I can say better, completed. This much is completed. For better understanding, we will solve the questions, then you can understand very well. Let's say if the half-life of a first order reaction is 10 minutes, they have given half-life. See, directly if they give a half-life, you will put half-life 10 minutes. Okay, now they were asking what is the time required for T 75%. Just now we use the formula. What is that? X by 50 into T half. So X is how much, students? Whatever the number, 75 divided by 50 into half-life is 10. 0, 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5 15s are correct. So 15 minutes is the answer. How fast you can do? Just by saying also you can say, see this is X, right? 75 by 50 into 10. That's it. Just 25, 15. You can just by saying it 15 minutes. Less than 30 seconds you can solve this question. For example, here directly they have given a half-life. If they don't give a half-life, then we have to calculate. How to calculate a half-life for a zero order reaction? Can you tell me? Zero order, first order. Both I will discuss with you one time. Okay, half-life formula for a zero order is T half is equal to C naught by 2K is the formula. What is the C naught, students? Repeat. Initial concentration. K is the rate constant. Substitute C naught value. Substitute K value. Both the values and you will find the T half. In the case of first order, the formula is 0. What is the formula? Repeat. 0.693 by K is the formula. What is the formula for a first order? T half is equal to 0.693 by K. For a zero order, T half is equal to C naught by 2K. This is initial concentration, this is a K. There is no initial concentration, directly substitute K and find the T half. That T half put in this formula for this question. Okay, but for first order I discussed in the previous video. Right, till now no confusion, right? Remember, super trick I am going to tell you. This is a game changer, ultimate, most important. If you like this, you have to subscribe to Komali ma'am channel and you have to hit on like. Okay, the trick is this equation, this formula is applicable to only the reaction A is converting into products. Both the above formulas, this and this, is applicable only when A converts into product. If suppose instead of this, if they have given any number before A, like n can be 2, n can be 3, n can be 4, any number, if they give before A, any number, it can be 5, it can be any number, then what you have to do is, trick is, T half is equal to, shall I tell you, C naught by 2nk. Whatever the number, if it is 2 means 2 you take here, n place. 3 means 3 you take. 5 means 5 you take. 5 by 2 means 5 by 2 you take. That's it. Here also same way. If this is the reaction, T half is equal to 0.693 by nk. That's it. Now, let's see RE-NEET 2026 question and JEE Mains 2023 questions and how students can do less than 30 seconds. Are you ready, everybody? See the reaction. 2A gives rise to B. 2A gives rise to B. And they have given the K value. K is 1. And they have given initial concentration C naught is 2 molar. If you know this, for a zero order reaction based on the units you can find. Yeah, this is, they have mentioned directly zero order. How to find the half-life? Half-life is equal to C naught by 2nk is the formula. C naught is 2 and 2 into n value. What is n value? 2 into k value is 1. 2 cancel. Half-life is 1 by 2. If you know half-life, can you tell me T 75%? What is the formula I told you? X by 50 into T half. Directly I can write 1.5, but still I am substituting, that is 75 by 50 into T half is 1 by 2. 5 ones 15 sir. 2 7.5 sir. 7.5 by 10 is 0.75 minute time, because this unit here is minute, so minute, yeah, 0.75. That's it. You can do literally less than 30 seconds. I explained I'm doing, that's why I might take little bit few more seconds extra. Otherwise, T 75% is equal to 1.5 T half. T half calculation formula C naught by 2nk. That's it. Now, this is a RE-NEET 2026 question. Many students telling that, NTA gave the wrong option. No, NTA have given the correct option. This is the right answer. Coming to the JEE question 2023, shift 2, this question came. A gives rise to B. This is A gives rise to B. T half is given how much? 50 minute is the T half. 50 minute is the T half. Time taken for the concentration of A to reduce to 1/4 of its initial value. What is the meaning of time taken for the concentration to reduce 1/4 of its initial value? Let's say initial value is for example 100. In that 1/4 it is reduced, means how much? 25. Final is left is 25 moles. Left 25 moles, which means that how much it is completed? How much it is completed? Reaction completed is how much? Reaction completed is how much? Reaction completed is 75%, because 100 minus 25 is 20. 100 minus 25 is 75, means reaction completed is 75%. Okay, so you can directly opt the answer. 75 minute is in a time. So T 75%. T 75% is the which is reaction completed. Understand students how easily you can solve the question. This is today's session. See you again in next session with more and more tricks. One more thing here, reaction completed 75%. No, so what you can do is final touch up. T 75% is equal to, what is the formula? We know directly. That is x by 50 into T half, right? So x is how much? How much percentage it is completed? 75 divided by 50 into half life given in the question is 50. So 50 cancel, 75 minutes. This is the correct answer, okay? Option C is the correct answer. When I am doing this video, actually, Vikshit is here. He is in the class 7th now. I am going to ask him a question. Vikshit, test yourself. I gave you all of you T 90%, right? Put your answer in comment section. I want to ask Vikshit. Vikshit, you listened the entire video. Is this first time you are listening this, or before any time you know this topic?
Just first time.
First time. Okay. You understand what I am telling here? Oh, great. Now Vikshit, this is the space for you. Tell me T 25%. Okay, T 25%. T half is equal to some 10. Find it out. What is the formula? See there, where you are writing. Here you should write down. What is the formula?
25 by
50 into what you are writing? T half, huh? Okay. Right. Then how much it is?
1 by 2 is equal to 0.5
into T half, huh? Oh, okay. So T half value is 10 I have given. Then 0.5 into 10.
Oh,
5. Okay. 0.5 into 10 how much?
5.
Very good. Super Vikshit. Come on, high five. Well done. See, if a 7th class student can able to do this, why can't you? Let's make chemistry very easy. Thank you so much for watching this video once again.